this visualization here is going to show you how P waves and S waves travel through the inside of the Earth. So if you look at the very top, we have this point where our earthquake is. We're just looking at the P waves and S waves from a single earthquake. So what you should see is we have the mantle here in red, our outer core here in light orange, and our inner core here in kind of an off-white yellow. So you should see that some of the wave energy is going to go through the outer core, and some of it will reflect back because there's this boundary between the mantle and the outer core. So if we analyze this data, we can learn something about the structure of the inside of the Earth. First, I'm just going to click and you can watch what happens with the waves. So it's kind of fast, but you see some of that reflection, you see some of it traveling through. Now what we can do is just move the slider so you can see bit by bit. Right away we see that the P wave has traveled further than the S wave already, which makes sense because we know that P waves travel faster than S waves. So the first thing we see is the P wave has, some of the energy has gone into the outer core here, and some of the energy is being reflected back. So now what we see is really interesting is that none of this energy from the S wave is going into the outer core. It's not able to go into the outer core, and we do see the reflection backwards. So by noticing that P waves can travel through the outer core, but S waves cannot travel through the outer core, we're able to learn something really interesting about the structure of the Earth.